How many species of flowering plants are there on Earth?
The Earth has more than 350,000 species of flowering plants.
What is the purpose of pollen and nectar?
Flowers make pollen in order to reproduce and nectar for creatures that spread pollen.
What does pollination produce?
Pollination produces nutritious seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
How do some flowers attract bees?
Some flowers reflect ultraviolet light in ways that create a hard-to-miss target.
Do all plants need beautiful flowers to reproduce?
Some plants do not need beautiful flowers to reproduce.
How many basic tastes can our tongue detect?
Our tongue can detect 5 basic tastes.
What are the 5 basic tastes?
They are sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and a rich, savory taste called umami.
How many possible flavors can we enjoy?
We enjoy not just 5 flavors, but possibly over 100,000.
How do aromas contribute to the flavors we enjoy?
Chewing releases aromas that pass up into our nose through the back of our throat.
When do our taste buds develop?
Our taste buds develop before we're born.
What can an unborn baby taste while still in its mother's womb?
As an unborn baby swallows amniotic fluid, it may taste what its mother eats.
Why do we not just eat to survive?
We love to eat. It makes us happy.
What is color?
It's how we perceive wavelengths of light.
How do we perceive color?
When an object reflects only some wavelengths, we see color.
How do cells in our eye detect light?
Cells in our eye detect light and send signals to our brain.
How many kinds of color sensing cells do we have?
We have 3 kinds of color sensing cells.
So what are those?
Those that detect red, green, and blue.
How do we perceive other colors?
Mixing red, green, and blue light changes the color we see.
How many colors can we distinguish with just 3 kinds of color receptors?
We can distinguish some 10 million colors.
How does color trigger our emotions?
Blue and green can calm us. Red and orange can excite.
How do our bodies designed to move?
The way we move can be complex or precise. It could require strength or stamina.
What does walking involve?
Walking involves coordination of dozens of muscles.
What controls our muscles?
Muscles are controlled by our brain and nervous system.
What powers our muscles?
And are powered by the food we eat and the oxygen we breathe.
What is every body part considered as?
Every body part is a marvel of engineering.
How is the knee designed to withstand repeated impact?
The knee is designed to withstand repeated impact. Surrounding tissue cushions and aligns it.
Why is movement important for our bodies?
Findings suggest that regular movement helps prevent joint damage. Our body is a machine that strengthens as we use it.
What are some sounds that we can hear in the world around us?
Some are natural, others we create.
What do musical instruments typically combine?
Musical instruments typically combine a sound generator which produces tones with a resonator such as wood or metal which has volume.
What is the design of musical instruments similar to?
The design resembles our own vocal organs.
What is said to be one of the most beautiful instruments?
Human's voice.
Right. What fascinates us about animals?
We marvel at their speed, their agility, and their strength.
What are some enjoyable things about animals?
Their beauty and behavior are a pleasure to watch.
What do some animals do that is similar to humans?
Like us, they play. Some even dance.
What is an example of an animal being industrious?
A beaver dam can extend hundreds of meters.
Right. Can a beaver dam be seen from space?
Yes, some can even be seen from space.